all. I'm Pragya Kapadia. I'm a designer from NIFT Mumbai, and I did my basic mountaineering course from AVMAS Manali in October 2018. I was introduced to wilderness in grade 7 by my mom. My first ever track was with the Nature's Club to Dang, and that was the first experience that I have felt about vacation, that it can be different than I was enjoying with my parents. That was something that I still cannot forget. Then, while growing up and getting responsibility of life, I forgot completely about tracking thing. But back of the mind, I always wanted to explore Himalayas because they have this something captivity, some special place in my heart and mind since very early age. I never know why. I don't know why, but it is something that I always wanted and I always wanted to do in my life. Want to do in my life. So there was one day, me and my husband was driving, and we were talking about our hobbies and our dreams and something that we always wanted to do before we die. So I told my husband, I told mine that I always wanted to explore jungles and Himalayas, may whatsoever. So he was like, why don't you do that? I was like, it is merely impossible. I don't know how to, approach. I don't want to go on some track groups because I just wanted to explore something new that is less explored in Himalayas. When we were in Kashmir, I always asked Javed Bhai also that please, I want to show me some place that is less explored in Kashmir. I don't want to go Pahalgam or like that places. So there, after 2 days, he came with this form of Evima's Manali, and he was like, "Hey, uh, why don't you apply for this course?" The age limit was 45, and I was just 38 that time. And I was like, "Are you sure I'm going to? I will be able to do this. Well, why don't you try? Give it a try." I was like, "Okay." So I filled up the form, and after reading it completely, there was one thing that caught up my mind was that physically injured, major injury should not apply for this course. I still applied for the course, and then I was thinking about it. Okay, I have like a plate and 7 screws, and my left knee is injured, and in medical term there was like 19 fractures. So I was like, okay, I applied, but what next? So I started preparing myself, like I started my gymming and cardio and everything that can make my muscles near that knee strong enough to handle the course. As soon as I reached Manali, within 7 days, I came to know that it is just not as easy as I was thinking about it. It was very, very tough. It was taking nerves, it was on our nerves. Even the young crowd there, they used to get tired. And one day I called Mayank and I was like, it is getting on my nerves, and it is impossible for me to continue with the course because the physical, the mental, the emotional strain, it was completely outbursting. Every inch of your body is in pain. Everywhere you will feel like, okay, this is, it was bad, it was very tough. And I was like, I wanted to quit. Mine told me that, okay, if you want to quit, not a problem, but give yourself 3 days to think again. I was like, okay, fine. I'm not going to change my mind in 3 days. So, but those 3 days of my life changed my mind. There was nothing special that happened to change my mind, but slowly and gradually, I was getting hold of the physical exercise. I was feeling better and better every single day that was passing by. And I that one thought that crossed into my mind कि भाई आज नहीं तो कभी नहीं. I just have this one and the last chance to at least learn some basic skills that is required, and this, and it really make a difference. You know how to walk on mountains, you know how to climb down, you know how to descend. There are few knots that are important. So this course was basically again a triggering point in my life to explore and to chase my passion that I was like completely forgotten. And from here, my tracking starts. And till date, I have done like I have explored mostly most major part of Himalayas. Like I did my road trip from Manali to Ladakh. It was again a beautiful experience. I have tracked down to Parvati Valley. I have tracked down in Bakar Thaj and few more tracks in Himalayas, and even in Sahyadri range that is near Lonavala. So that is my completely experience in tracking. And now I really want people to know about this. But here in Surat, the problem that I face is with the females especially, that they don't want to go on tracks. First thing कि भाई टॉयलेट्स की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है इन विल्डरनेस. यू डोंट गेट अ प्रॉपर टॉयलेट्स. यस, वी हैव टॉयलेट टेंट्स, but again you don't have that proper toilet. So females don't want to go for this reason, and that is very saddening, because only because of this toilet thing, the experience that you are missing on the mountains when you see the sunsets and sunrises and the rivers, it is completely worth. But females, they don't want to. I have few females who are completely open with the things, but major part of the group, of the female groups, they don't want to even explore wilderness. They don't want to get that experience. uh, I don't know what to say about it, but yes, I can just. I'm happy that this time after COVID, there are people who wants to explore mountains, and yes, there are people who want to see Indian beauties. That is pretty much better than Switzerland. I can bet on that. Trust me. So after COVID, yes, I had people who are asking me about tracks and where to go and how you can reach there. Man, what you have to do there. There are groups of people who are coming to me every now and then and asking me about it. But only major parts are of kids and males. But I hope people should understand that this is, especially females, our ladies group. They should understand that because of this one single thing, you are missing a lot in many a part. Many because of this toilet problem, females who really want to join the track, even they get hesitated, and it is understandable. Okay, yes, it is a completely considerable thing. But if you can just get hold of this one thing, there are so many other things that Himalayas and the trekking and the wilderness offers you. For kids, it is very much necessary today, where we provide our kids with each and every luxury items. Uh, Tracking actually teaches them how to survive with lesser and fewer supplies. Uh, peop- I mean, for me and for my son, yes, it was like that. When I took my son for his first track, I was completely surprised to see his performance and his friends' performance, because the weather was so rough, it was so harsh, and still the kids were performing like amazingly well. So I think tracking also provides with the thought process that yes, you have to survive even in tent with the rougher weather, and you can survive. The confidence, the level of confidence that the kids get after tracking, you have to note it down. I mean, mind blowing, guys. Yes, wilderness is always beautiful than this concrete jungle. I always feel that. So, till date, this is my story. See you guys. Bye.